Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make curry base for Indian curries. We are going to make this curry base with just a few ingredients which are found in our kitchen. You can make chicken curry, egg curry, fish curry, vegetable curry, etc. with the same curry base. You can also make this base curry and store it in the fridge and then add vegetables or eggs or chicken and cook in the curry and serve. Let's see what we need to make this curry. Since I am making a lot of curry and storing it, we need 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 4 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, and then we need water, vegetable cooking oil, 1 can of coconut milk, and the spices we need are coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, and jeera powder. Wash the vegetables and chop them and keep it ready. We need cilantro to garnish and have a can opener to open the coconut milk can. Let's learn how to make the curry base. Switch on the stove and in a big pan add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil gets hot, you can add 2 chopped onions to this. Stirring the onions, cook the onions for about 5 minutes until it becomes transparent. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Stirring well, cook for about 2 minutes until the raw smell of the garlic ginger paste goes away. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, or you can add salt according to your taste. You can add 4 slit green chilies now. After adding the green chilies, you can add 2 big chopped tomatoes to this. Stirring the tomatoes, cook the tomatoes until the raw smell goes away and it becomes mushy. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Stir it well so the masala powder gets blended nicely with all the ingredients. Add 2 cups of water and stir it well. When the water comes to a boil, you can add 1 can of coconut milk to this. Stir it well and you can cook the curry for about 15 to 20 minutes. After cooking the curry, you can store it in the fridge and then whenever you need, you can take a portion of the curry and add vegetables or add chicken or eggs and then cook and serve. It's been 20 minutes. You can switch off the stove and garnish the curry with some cilantro. Your world famous curry base for Indian curries from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. You can enjoy this curry with rice, rotis, pulao, naan, etc. When we have a busy schedule, this curry base comes out handy and please try this and enjoy with your family. Thank you.